Hello everyone. In this video we will be going to study about the Celsius and Kelvin scale. As you all know, there are some measurable quantities like to measure the amount of substance. It can be the mass, concentration, or any other thing like the temperature. So there are some measurable quantities like atmosphere. As you all know, atmosphere is a unit of measuring pressure exerted by a gas. It means if we have to measure the pressure of the atmosphere exerted by gas, and the SI unit of pressure is Pascal. And 1 atmosphere stands for, or 1 atmosphere is equals to 1.01 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal. The pressure of air in atmosphere is called atmospheric pressure, which we have already studied. The atmospheric pressure at sea level is 1 atmosphere and is taken as the normal atmospheric pressure. And another measurable quantity is mass, and it is measured in kg. There are some more measurable quantities like volume, which has been measured in liters. There are difference, but today we will be going to study mainly about how to measure the temperature. Like to measure the temperature, there are different scale like Kelvin scale, Celsius, Fahrenheit. But to measure the temperature, or you can say the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Why Kelvin is SI unit? Because Kelvin scale of temperature has always positive sign. That is why it has been regarded as better scale than Celsius. Why Celsius? Because you all have heard, like we have studied about in melting point and boiling point, that melting point of water is 0 degrees Celsius, boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. So we are measuring it in degree Celsius. And if you have heard that in hilly areas, or you can say in the polar regions, the temperature got very lower down, and it decreases and it comes to the minus, we have studied, you have heard also. So in this context, it means if we are measuring the temperature in degrees Celsius, the temperature in degrees Celsius can be with the negative sign, but Kelvin scale is always positive. Why the Kelvin scale is always positive? Because there is a relationship between Kelvin and Celsius scale. If you will see here, there is a formula given that Kelvin is equals to degree Celsius plus 273.15. It means if we have to convert degree Celsius into Kelvin, we have to add that degree Celsius plus 273.15. Why 273.15 we have to add? Because 0 degrees Celsius is equals to 273.15 Kelvin. But in simple consideration, generally we consider that 0 degrees Celsius is equals to 273 K. So this is the relationship between Kelvin and Celsius scale. Let us use this relationship and solve the following conversion. It means if we have to convert the temperature to Kelvin scale, we can, like the example question has been given, the example 1, that is 27 degrees Celsius, we have to convert it into Kelvin scale. So the solution is like degree Celsius plus 273, and degree Celsius is 27 degrees Celsius, which has been given in the question. So 27 plus 273 is equals to 300 K. K stands for the sign, or you can say for the unit to denote the Kelvin. There is second example in which we can convert Kelvin into Celsius scale. We can use the same formula, that is Kelvin equals to degree Celsius plus 273. But when we have to convert degree Celsius into Kelvin, we simply add 273. But if we have to convert Kelvin into degree Celsius, we have to here subtract. It means Kelvin, the temperature which has been given, that is 573 minus 273, and when you will subtract, the answer will come 300, and degree Celsius sign is to present in degree Celsius. So by this relationship, that is K equal to degree Celsius plus 273, we can convert degree Celsius into Kelvin and Kelvin into degree Celsius. Hope you all understand well.